Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisin and today I'm going to show you the process on how we could deposit money to our XM account. Now, for those of you guys who are not aware of what XM is a trading platform where you could trade Forex, crypto, gold, stock market, precious metals like silver, and many more. Now, to start with, I'm going to show you my main monitor so you could also follow what I'm doing. Now, for those of you guys who don't have an account in XM yet, I will be providing you with the link where you could register and make an account. All you need to do is to go to the description of this video and click the link that I will be providing below. Or you could also check the comment section because I will pin the link in the comment section as well. Alright, so let us now start. Once you've done registering and making an account, this is what you could see. So this is the home page of the XM trading platform. Now for us to deposit your money, you need to make sure that you have chosen the real account because XM will be providing you with two accounts, the demo account and the real account. Make sure to choose the real account. Okay, so let's go to the real account and then let's click the word deposit right here. Okay, so let's do that. And then these are the different payment options that you could do. You could do credit card, debit cards, online banking, Neteller, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Perfect Money, Google Pay, Stick Pay, or Gcash. Now, since I will be depositing using my online banking transfer, then I will be using this one. So, online bank transfer. And then try to choose the bank name that you prefer. In my case, I will be using my Union Bank. Okay, so Union Bank. Next, try to identify how much will be the amount that you will be depositing. In my case, I will be depositing like around 2,000 pesos for this account. So that is an equivalent of $35. Now let's check this button right here. Next thing is to check everything here. Deposit account ID. Make sure that this one is the real account ID and the amount that you will be getting after the process. Then click confirm. Now it will ask you again to check everything here. So read all the following here and at the same time check also the schedule for the bank maintenance. They have it stated here, so check the following. In my case, we don't have any bank maintenance for Union Bank. So let's just go and click this button, Pay Now. Now it will ask us to fill the different information here. We have here the Dragon Pay, and we will still also going to choose our bank, which is the Union Bank. So this one is the Union Bank. Then click I agree and then click select and it will redirect you to your Union Bank website. Okay, so let us now continue with the following. Let's enter the OTP and then choose the account and then click authorize. And then it will ask you again to put an OTP. So let's input that one. And then click submit and you are good to go. It says here payment successful and then click here to go back to the merchant or the home page. Okay, and according here it is now successful. Then let's wait for 5 seconds for us to go to our merchant page. And there you have it. It says here successful deposit request. It means we will be waiting for a couple of minutes so that our money will be reflected here in our account. So let's just close this one and then let's go to our home. And then there you go, guys. You already have your deposited amount of money here. So it is very easy, right, to deposit your money in your XM trading account. Now you are now good to go to trade Forex, to trade crypto, to trade stock market, and many more. But first of all, you need to go to their trading platform as well. You need to log in or you need to connect your MT5 trading platform to your XM trading account. Now, for you to do that, you need to click more and you need to click platform. I think you cannot see this one because my camera is blocking the way. Let me go with this one and then click platform here. Okay, so once we've done that, and you need to choose what type of trading platform you are going to use. In my case, I will be choosing the MT5. Since I'm done downloading this one, I won't do this one. So for those of you guys who don't have the MT5 or MT4 trading platform, try to download the following. So just click the following here and then connect it to your account. Once you're done downloading the trading platform, all you need to do is to log in with the given login credentials that are given to you, and then open up your XM MT5. So this is how it looks like. And if you could see here, I don't know if you could still see it on the screen, but I already have my balance here that says 35.49 US dollars. So there you go. That is how easy it is for us to deposit our money to XM. All right. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Peace out.